Guys, this is my 17 Pro Max. It hasn't been activated yet. Yeah, this guy's 17 volt max. Apple has already made their cut. And here we have another guy, one on the left, one on the right. These two guys carefully planned everything out, making it symmetrical. You take the left, I'll take the right. One is A and B's, and the other is 821s. Both 17s need to be rebalanced. Can you handle this? Brothers, if there's a shutdown, I feel like these two guys shouldn't have any big problems. Later, let's give them a call and see if we can sell 2 laser machines. Look at our separator here. Its panel is small, just the right size to expose this corner so we can cut it off, right? You have to cut all the way through. A lot of people here just can't grasp the essence, and if that's the case, you're doomed either way. Anyway, for many people, it's a dead end no matter what. Right? It needed to be shorter just now. Pressing down gives better friction. And that's how easily it's done. Steady and relaxed. It's really not that complicated at all. Come and feel it for yourself. Experience the feel of the 821 megabytes. I just want to see if there's glue in this spot. Oh, that would make me really happy. Some people might wonder, hey, Brother Bao, how do you do it? Why were you actually happy when you taught us last time? Yeah, when I see glue here, I actually feel happy, because having glue here is actually safer. It's more dangerous if there's no glue. This bracket was cut very precisely. If the bracket isn't aligned properly, it can easily cause a dead pixel later on. You have to move quickly, okay? As for the AMB, the Samsung version, we didn't remove the bracket. Without removing the bracket, the screen was still fully repaired. Let's take a look at the back. Since the bracket wasn't removed, it looks much nicer and we easily saved 2 screens.